Imagine at the beginning of our journey, the Statue of Liberty stands as it always has, a timeless symbol of hope, justice, and freedom. It towers in the heart of a modern city, where the skies are filled with drones and sleek metal birds flying between shimmering skyscrapers. People go about their daily lives, surrounded by advanced technology, yet their eyes still turn to the statue. It remains a reminder of values that never age: freedom, equality, and hope. Despite all the changes around it, the statue stands tall, a beacon for a better future. As we move forward, the world around the statue begins to change. Cities no longer stay on solid ground. They float on vast oceans. Technology now allows us to rise above the earth, with entire cities suspended in midair. The Statue of Liberty is no longer just a relic of the past. Surrounded by radiant shields of energy and glowing lights, it has become a symbol of progress and innovation. Above it, space shuttles soar into the sky, carrying humanity to the stars. In a world where beings from the farthest reaches of the galaxy have arrived, the Statue of Liberty is no longer just a monument for humans. It holds meaning for all sentient life. The skies around it are alive with interplanetary travel, and the statue has become the center of this new world, a shining symbol of peace and unity between civilizations. As Earth embraces its cosmic neighbors, technology and nature merge. The cities floating above the sea of energy are a sight to behold. The Statue of Liberty stands amidst this beauty, its protective energy fields glowing softly as it looks out over an ocean that shimmers with otherworldly light. The skies above are filled with ships and planets, and yet the statue remains the heart of this breathtaking future. The statue is no longer just a memory of the past. It stands at the center of a civilization that spans the cosmos. It watches over a world where cities float in the air, where bridges of light connect entire planets, and where peace reigns between humans and their galactic allies. The statue, shining with energy and light, is a reminder of the values that have guided us all along: freedom, equality, and hope for a better tomorrow. Finally, as we look into the far future, we see that the Statue of Liberty is no longer just a symbol for humans, but for all beings across the universe. It is a light, a beacon of hope that has traveled through time and space. From Earth to the stars, it tells the story of humanity, a story that began on this small blue planet and now stretches across the vastness of the cosmos. With every pulse of cosmic energy that surrounds it, the statue continues to inspire, reminding us of who we are and what we stand for. Thanks for hanging out with us. Don't forget to hit subscribe and let us know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video. The future's getting closer every second. Are you ready?